Okay, so I've got the ground extra lean turkey in the bowl with 4 cloves of chopped garlic, those 2 tiny onions, I guess about a 1/4 cup of oats, and then for the seasoning I just used this spice kit, and I used the red one, which is smoked paprika, sweet paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, and rosemary powder. And then just some ground pepper and some ground, this is a combination of sea salt and Himalayan sea salt. And then I'm just going to add about a 1/4 cup of this barbecue sauce and mix it all up, and then head out to run some errands on Sunday. Okay, so I'm back in the store. I got the turkey out of the fridge, and I put the oven onto 400, and I'm going to make a side dish. So our side dish that we're going to be having is potatoes, and I'm going to cut them up into fries. Toss them in olive oil, and I'll show you. So we've got the potatoes all cut up. Got some olive oil. I'm just going to use that first because then the spices will stick, and then to season it I'm going with some tagine instead of pepper, mostly because I need to use it up, and then some salt, and then bake until they're golden and crispy, and they will go great with the turkey. Okay, so the potatoes are coated nicely in oil and spices, so you can just stick them in the oven. I'm gonna put them closer to the bottom rack, and then you're gonna just let them bake for like probably 40 minutes. So next up I'm gonna grab I'm gonna go with like a large handful because I have big onion buns, and then I don't know if I could do this one-handed. Let's see, technical skills. I'm making a YouTube video, children. So yeah, you can see it's still kind of frozen. Isn't that great? Anyways, yeah, we're just shaping this into like a large patty. There you go. Cheat. 1.5 hands. Alright, so we've got like a burger. It's really cold with little turkey ice cubes. Then we're going to go over to the pan and just drop it in there. In this pan is a little bit of leftover bacon fat. Should add some extra flavor because, you know, extra turkey basically, extra lean turkey tastes like cardboard if you don't season it well. So this is a really, really big pan, and I can fit 3 giant extra lean turkey burgers in the pan. And I'm just going to cover it because there's frozen spots in there. I don't want them to cook well.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Head and Shoulders face girl is talking in the background. So yeah, a few minutes have passed, so the burgers...
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog!
What kind of burgers are those? Turkey?
Barbecue turkey burgers. Healthy, healthy, healthy.
Nice color. Nice. I turn the heat down to like medium. We'll let them cook for another 10 minutes because you don't get salmonella.
Those look nicely colored, but I'm worried about them being done completely, and I'm not going to break out the thermometer. I'm just going to take them, put them in this baking dish, and then stick them in the oven with the fries while the next batch is cooking. And that'll make sure that they're nicely ethnically well done. That'll be the plan. So all the burgers are done. The only thing I'm going to do is put some more barbecue sauce on them, toss them around in the sauce, and cover them with the lid and get the toppings together while the oven fries finish cooking. So for some smaller burger, I'm like, actually, it's hard because I'm looking through the camera. Voila. And repeat until your platter. with the burgers. Crispy golden, yummy oven fries. Okay, so for condiments for the burgers, I have some tomatoes, some red onions, some jalapeno peppers, and then, I mean, if you didn't meal prep yourself a giant box of romaine, you're not really even alive anymore. And then Instagram it afterwards. But anyways, yeah, of course lettuce. Then I guess like ketchup, mustard, mayo, whatever you guys like.